Yeah, man, nice meat. Board, you know. Pine, me viewers. Yes, me viewers.
Jamaican farmers. Hot.
Jamaican farmers. Hey.
Ready, we ready, and we gone. We are plant pumpkin and we are plant some corn. Yes, my people, welcome back to my channel. And please remember to like, share, and to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to see the next video coming out.
Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to the channel Jamaican Farmers Hut. In this video, it's all about we're inside of the wilderness. Going to turn the wilderness into plantation, alright? So stick around. We have a lot of tree to cut. Sight? Sight. As you can see, my viewers, it's all about cutting off tree. Cutting down trees, yeah? The salmon is here. He's bad like gas. He's a very skilled salmon, alright? Don't worry. I'm going to introduce you to him very soon. But you can see all these works here that he have done. He's a very, very skilled salmon, alright? Yeah? He used the power saw like he's using a knife. As you can see, right across, all here was woodland. He cut it right down. You know what I mean? Yeah? As you can see. Yeah. Alright, salmon Kevin, him bad like gas. Yes, my viewers. Take note of what is going on here. Alright, we have some more big tree to drop. So that could be in the next, into our next video, alright? So yes, my viewers, it's all about plantation. Doesn't matter how the place look. Yeah, because right now, here was a wilderness. And as you can see, he cut it right down to nothing. Alright. I'm standing right now on a tree. Yeah. Get down and show you what's going on. Yeah. I was up there. Alright. Yes, my viewers, Jamaican Farmers Hut, as what I said before. Once you hear the name Jamaican Farmers Hut, look for everything. Look for anything. Alright? Look on the cut of this tree here. Tell you this guy is a very unique guy. And trust me, him work alone, you know what I mean? He need a second with him right now. Trust me, when I lie. Yes, my viewers, as you can hear, the sound of the saw. Yeah? You can hear the sound of the saw, alright? This tree here, the Puskla Maka. The Puskla Maka. It is a medical plant also. Yeah? As you can see here, all here is maca. Yeah? Yeah, man. Cat's claw. Yeah. The bark of it is very good. Yeah. Have a lot of benefits for the human body. Alright. As you can see here, the cat claws. We call it here cow claw maca. Alright. Yes, my viewers. Alright, as you can see, all inside this gully here, we're gonna cut out all these trees. Because all along here we're gonna plant up banana, pumpkin, plantain and all those stuff. Inside the wilderness. Alright, going closer to the salmon. Yeah, going closer to salmon, Kevin. Make him show you what's going on. Yeah. Alright. This tree is going to fall also. Just waiting on the right time to fall it. Alright. Yeah. Whoa. Alright, my viewers, stick around. We're going to the other side. Yeah. This sawman is a very skilled sawman, as you can see. When he cut down a tree, he cut it. He cut it up. Yeah, as you can see, he cut it up, you know. So you can move the whole tree liquor by liquor. Okay. Yeah. Alright. I'm right underneath of a tree here. It's a custard apple tree. It's a custard apple tree, my viewers. It's a custard apple tree here. Can't zoom in to find one to show you guys. Okay, all these trees, yeah, are down. Yeah, all these trees are down. Okay, my viewers, this was the big tree that I show you from home up top. Yeah, it's also gonna cut down. Yeah. I said that's it. Oh, I have to go over the fence. Yes, my viewers, this is the salmon.
Yeah.
Salmon Kevin, no?
Yeah.
So you go, you mean, yeah, man.
Farmer man, but
Eh?
no farmer man, you know, but we know if you use the farming
Yeah.
tool them.
For real. Once you say
Right,
farming,
yeah.
everything have to include it.
Yeah man, power saw, scrape, pan, tractor.
Yeah.
You don't know the whole of them things they included.
What you mean, man? Yeah, man, he's very skilled. Very skilled on the saw. Yeah, show you the saw that he used. Yeah, MS 310. Yes, my viewers. So you know, so it is a steel, yes, steel saw. Powerful. Yeah, man. For real. For real. Alright, my viewers. I'm gonna give you some more cuttings. The same one.
We'll cut off some limb for that too.
Which one? The one there?
Yeah, we'll cut another one go through.
Oh. Okay. Okay. My viewers is gonna cut some limb off this tree here. Alright. Yeah. And go down, so. Alright. And my viewers, stick around. More cuttings. Yes, my viewers, we look up on the location. Here's the next tree. Yeah, man. Original salmon. We are going to cut our next tree. Yeah, man. So stick around and see how the tree cut. Alright? Yeah. We're up on the location. So Kevin, when time you cut a tree, what you do? You check, you inspect the tree first.
Yeah, man, you have to look which part the limb them go.
Yeah.
You see me? So that if no limb go over other limb, grow over other limb, and when the limb where you cut, I go drop. So that's it no dry down nothing and knock and lick you and knock you out. So you have to inspect and see which part of the limb them are go fall.
Understand.
And know which part you go drop your limb them.
Understand.
You see me? Because
Yeah.
it can end up fatal.
For real, man.
You see me?
For real.
So that's why all two person.
For the pan
Yeah, pan
location.
location when the saw use.
See, me know,
You see
man.
it?
Yeah.
It's a really dangerous thing.
I mean, I say your skill, you know, doing this here alone. What's your name again? Yeah, my viewers, you can see you have some fruit on it. If you know what the name of the tree, drop it in the comment box, alright? Look at the name of the tree. Yes, my viewers, start, man. Start, man, ready? Alright? Yeah. Yes, my viewers. Yes, my viewers. One that is down. Alright. One that is down. Alright. Yeah, man, the big one there. Yeah. Oh, man, no, so I have to shift on a different location, man. Yeah. Now that me say. Alright, this big limb next. This big limb next. Oh, it a got yeah, me understand. I understand. So you have to notice the tree first before you cut. You want to lift the big one? Sure. Okay, okay. Come on. Yeah, man, I have to inspect the tree, you know. Yeah? Easy. Like something hitch. And if no metal in there. Oh, okay, chain hitch. Yeah, for real, for real. Yeah, man, yeah, man. Yeah, for real, for real. Because Lima draw other limb, you know. How are you, say? Yeah, I tell you. Tell you, say, this work is a serious thing you're doing here, man. You're alone. You're very skilled, brother. Yeah, man, you're very skilled. Trust me. Alright, two little limb leave now. The viewers. Yeah! I pitch. Alright, my viewers. One leave. One leave. Alright. Yeah. Yes, my viewers. This work is a very dangerous work. Don't do this at home. Alright? Yeah, my viewers, don't do this at home. Yeah? 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 The tree is still dropping. Yeah. Yeah, don't make the tree lock up the cyanide. Yeah. Yeah, the viewers, as you can see, the tall tree, it is on the ground, cut up in pieces. Come on. Yeah, that is it. Yeah, turn him over. Yeah, man. I mean, yes, my viewers, that is one of the limb cut up in pieces. Yeah, it can easily move around. All right. man, the boss have to fix up in yard. Yeah, boss guard that, you know. Can take off a little dust, you know. Yeah. Yeah, that is the limb that I'm on. So I have to get off the limb, man. I was up here. Alright. Yes, my viewers, this part of the limb was up in the air. Yes, I could never touch up here. And look now, it's down on the ground. My God. This is what tool does, you know. Yeah? When you have the right tool, you do the right job. Alright? Yes. Yeah, for real. Out of gas. That's it for the day. I mean, you do the whole of our work from morning, brother. I mean, man, the man with the still.
Yeah, man. See a man with a plant the pumpkin them over across the other side.
How you mean, man?
Yeah, man.
It's all about farming.
And I don't know enough viewers. Like, subscribe, and share. Big up on yourself. Bro, God, invest in our farmers.
For
The
real.
country more better.
For real.
Me believe in every parish, not even hide them from bro, God, you know. Mouth and nose and teeth and them things that alone I see. Not I. You see it?
For real, man.
What you think, bro, God, man? Yeah.
Mm.
We're there in a parliament. You see it?
For
I
real.
run the thing I know me I talk. So don't get the thing twisted. You see me? Here we're going, bro, God, man. Just invest in our people there. In our country. You see it? Straight. One way to a thing, you know. Education. Three way to a thing, you know. Education, farming, and tourism. And them things that bring in the money in our country. You see my bro, God? What you think, you know? Remember where they were at Murdal Bolt? If the youth them see all them things they are going, what you expect them to do? Me believe in every parish, a farm should have there. Controlled by the government.
Seeing.
You see it? Say if a banana and St. Mary, a banana and coconut. You say if a yam a Trelawney, a yam a Trelawney. You see me? Down a St. Elizabeth. Lettuce and tomato and orange and them thing there. Yeah, you just put in one crop. People want work, people want money. You ain't hear what the man, the slang up on TikTok say. Me love money, and that's why me work.
Mm-hmm.
And you say when me work and me not get paid, your life in a jeopardy. You don't remember the jeopardy, like we usually come on CVM.
One way out. Okay. Alright, we'll take a walk, go look on some pine sucker, my viewers. See if them a spring, if them catch her, you know? Okay. Whoa. Jesus, time dry. Time dry, aya. Them bank them broke up. Yes, sir. It's all about pine. It's all about pine, me viewers. Pine, me viewers. Pine. Yeah. Once you see that in our pine, you see it. Real one. Real, me viewers. Goat them heat down the banana tree and the coconut tree. More pine. Eh? Yeah, stone was them. Yeah, man. Oh, they need to plant out now.
Yeah, but plant them, man.
Yeah, man, plant out.
So I pick them up to
Yeah.
drop off a tree, you know, just take and cover them to use off the class sun.
Yeah, me understand.
Fall.
All them can transplant, you know.
I gotta take them up.
Yeah,
The
man.
tractor go come over.
Oh, what the gas out?
Yeah, me that say me want left them and make a stone side.
Because it's full of stones still.
Yeah, but
True. All the past stone. Yes, my viewers and subscribers. We're gonna be out for now. Yeah. Yeah. That me I tell you, man. Yeah. That me I tell you, man, look nice. Yeah. You know what I mean, man? Yes, me viewers. Nice meat board, you know? Yeah. You cut your nice little vegetable in your kitchen. Yeah, man. And the board is, you see the pattern right? Yeah. The pattern nice. Yeah, man. For real.